Hello and welcome to our third video of this Audi TT MK2 build, and we got pretty much all the parts what we're gonna use. So we got the front bumper, the wing as well, but it's different color, so we're gonna put it on the car and then take it to the guy who's gonna repaint it, but he need to take the sample of the old color so he would match it together. And also we got the headlight for the passenger side, and we got the clean water fluid tank for the screen wash. But we also have the bracket that was the old one. It got a wee bend in here, but I'm still gonna use it because we are waiting for the new one to be delivered. But we figured out we're just gonna use the old one just to make the video, and after once we receive the new one, we're just gonna replace that. So in the meantime, Alvaro is taking the wheel off, and this time I'm filming while he's taking it off.
Okay, this is a bit fail.
Okay, I think I done better last time. So what we're gonna do now is put the screen wash fluid tank, I think.
No, first is gonna go the wing.
Is it?
Yes, because the wing you need to tie it here and then you put the washer tank.
So the wing holds on the two bolts here.
And two bolts here.
Two bolts here. And then two bolts on the top. And then I think it's tightened to the front bumper as well. Maybe. We'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do today, and we just get into work.
What we done, we put the wing back, we try to align with another side, well, kind of cardboard like this, so it's kind of look like it's getting in place, well, in place. I wouldn't say that because that's supposed to go a bit like that, because of that damage. We'll see how when we put the bumper on and see how bad is it. Because I have ordered that, but still not come, so until then, just to make sure that everything fits. So, yeah, basically, the light, well, I was getting another light before, I suppose, because I was having a problem with another light that with the model, if you can see behind, yeah, that's the model, was completely different, so I had to send them back and they sent me another one, and that's 100% working, so at least that's one good thing. Like, and there is the bumper. What goes on?
So we managed to put the wing back, and as you can see, it's still got plenty of alignment issues in here and as well as on this side. But the main reason why we have the alignment issues is because this bracket is, well, we're using the old one which is damaged, so we're gonna sort out, because anyway the guy's gonna remove this wing and paint it to the original color what it's supposed to be, so we're just gonna sort all the alignment issues later on. So now just putting all the plastic bits together, and then we're gonna put the washer fluid tank inside now.
Last time I removed that, so it's time for you to learn.
That's it.
Just the Tyson, that's it.
I think I'm missing something. No? No? Where does this go? Here? No. Oh, really, I have no idea. No idea how it's supposed to be even placed. All I know, there should be a hole in here like that.
Wait. Okay.
Something like this, and then
That's not supposed. That's supposed to go behind the wing.
so you're saying we need to unscrew the bottom wing and
No.
you sure?
I'm sure.
Because I can't, well,
Because you can.
because there's literally no, maybe, nah.
Okay. Let me do the honors. So he's putting the two balls there. That's
So it should go like this, or first the bolts?
first put the balls. There's two balls there that are holding the washer tank. So put that. And we're gonna put the pipes, everything. Try to make it tidy.
But we'll sort everything out anyway after we paint, well, and the guy's gonna paint the... So it's not really important to make it aesthetic, you just put it back together. We put back the washer fluid tank back inside, and we connected all the pipes and everything, put all the pumps inside where it's supposed to be, and we did this pipe here all along the wing. And now it's time for the front bumper, which is probably the last bit, I think.
Hopefully.
Hopefully it's the last one, and yeah, then we'll leave the car to the other guy to do the wing for us. And once we get the bracket, put the bracket, the second hand, hopefully intact one, back here, and that's it. And just snow foam it and make it nice and shiny.
Like from the factory.
So we have really big alignment issues.
Well, maybe. 1 second. I might have fixed that a bit.
Because of the most likely of that bracket.
As I can pull that bit up. You wanna pull that up? All that bumper. That's that bit. Well, I don't know if with one hand you can help me much.
So we put back the bumper on and we had quite a few issues with it. So we are still missing few bolts because we actually forgot to order them because, well, we never had a bumper in the first place, so we never had the bolts, which somehow we thought that we have. And yeah, so we are still missing few bolts up in here and some on the sides as well. And we noticed that the color is slightly different. Even you can see better on camera as well, I think. So we'll need to paint the bumper as well, so it would match, because the difference is quite big actually. But we never really realized until we put the bumper on. So yeah, the main thing what's left is to get the bracket as well and place it, because all the alignment is quite bad. So, but that we'll sort out in the next video. So say the last words.
Click and subscribe.
So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like under it and subscribe to our channel to see more of this beautiful Audi TT build.